Selam bugün sizlar bilan Deniz Qiroli. Bugun size Vigo degan komanda bilan o'ynayotganmiz. Akam boshqachaga degan bo'lsalaring. Yugur. Ya, Messi, kaltakesi. Vay, boplab büyüyapti.
Starfelt with the ball. What will he try?
Gol! 8 daqiqada, 8,5 daqiqada. Alvarez, yaxshi. Alvarezdan hat-trick qilsa,
Let's see what happens now.
Endi 160 bitta prosmotr. Agar shu videodan keyin
He's got control of the ball.
200 prosmotr yetsa, videoni qo'shib qilamiz ikkita o'yinda. Hammasini bugun o'zida qilsa, balla.
The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break.
25 ta obuna bo'lsa, balla o'sha nima bilan
Dribbles with the ball, wins the ball.
o'sha qarindoshim bilan naqamga o'ynaymiz, balla.
He's on the move. He's broken through. He's in the clear and going for goal.
Yaxshi. Nima deydi? Olti qurg'ur.
That's a poor pass. Dimitrovic saves.
Ish qilib lobbi o'ynaymiz.
Alvarez driving forward. A great move. He's clean through. Surely a goal is coming.
Gol boshqa
Oh, and it's in.
Alvarez. Давай,
Celebrations are over, so the ref starts things up again. Rodriguez.
Давай, hamma ishonam. Bugun bizga 200 ta prosmotr qilarsa,
He's cut it back
5 ta
inside.
obuna bo'lsa, o'sha lobbi o'ynaymiz.
A lot of missed passes today that have to improve. A poor ball there.
Yaxshi.
Iglesias in possession.
Zo'r videolar yasab nima qildim?
He's starting forward, using the width of the pitch. What a chance! He should be doing better there.
Avozsiz bitpopti. Shundan buzildi. Zo'r videolar yasab beraman.
That pass could have been better. And he's clear of the defence, but can he finish it? First 45 minutes are up. One of these teams is firmly in control. It's 2 goals to nil. So 45 minutes left.
Yig'ilmasa ham kerak, sizlarga ishonaman. 200 to'pga boramiz. Rostda
Did well to win the ball back. And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the
yaxshi.
keeper. It's Alvarez.
Goal.
That goal, his second of the match.
Alvarez. Ikkinchi golda nima deylardi?
Well intercepted.
Messidan men kutmayman hech qachon. Ronaldo fanatlari
They're moving the ball forward.
like bosinglar.
It's gone out for a throw-in.
Buni like bosinglar davay Ronaldo
That's being taken
fanatlari.
on the
Ishonaman Ronaldo
touchlines. Will we see
fanatlariga.
some subs
Messi
introduced?
fanatlari kommentariy
Wins the aerial
yozadi.
duel. Alvarez with possession.
Yomon
Good clean
chopdi.
challenge. That clearance will lift the pressure.
Gör inson
He's in control
zo'r account ekan, lekin
and he's won it back for his team.
davay bosdi. Hozir offside berolmasa bo'ldi-da, endi golga qana chaldi, nimaga berilmadi ishtirok.
He's speeding ahead. What a chance.
Davay, ishonaman.
Quality defending there. It's time to replenish their energy levels, so some new players are coming on. Moving down the flanks here.
Olamiz.
Let's see what comes of this then. He rows up to win the ball.
Yugur. To'pni oldim. Yo'qlab qo'ydim. Chiq. Vuy, Dali zo'r o'yin ketib
Well
turadi.
ahead now, and this should
Alvarezdan
be
davay
the
yana
win
bitta
for
gol,
them.
hat-trick qorayli.
That's
Nima
gone out for a
deyapsan?
corner.
Sразу otilmisan.
Was so alert to the
Davay
danger and reacted
Alvarezdan
quickly.
bitta.
What a great save.
Menga qizig'i yo'q, Alvarezdan gol bo'lsa bo'lmaydi. Davay jigarla, davay jigarla. Davay. Messi, kalta Messi. O'sha palalasam, o'sha palaladi. Nima
Player seems
bo'lyapti
in
bizga?
pain. Let's hope he's not too badly injured. Won the ball.
Messi
They've won control of the ball.
jarohatlanib.
Good interception.
Mayli, Messini ham yomonlab tashlama. Ikkinchi goldan keyin nima deyiladi? Shu kommentariya yozaveringlar. Mayli, Messi fanatlari kommentariya emas. Ronaldo fanatlari obuna, Messi fanatlari like. Bosinglar bitta. Hammaga rahmat. Sizlar bilan Qudurli Qiroli. 200 ta prosmotr yiqqandan keyin sразу ikkita nima o'yin qo'yamiz. 25 ta obunadan keyin shunaqangi lobbi o'ynaymiz. Balla obuna bo'lib qo'yinglar, sizlardan iltimos. Balla nechta video qo'ygan bo'lsam, hali bitta ham obuna yig'ilmayapti-da. Sizlar bilan Qudurli Qiroli xayrlashyapmiz. Hammaga rahmat.